heavy snow. It really snowed. First winter storm warning in 5 years to the month. Not even that many tracks on the street. It just started accumulating about an hour or so ago. Even though it's been snowing for several hours. You could see the grass 2 hours ago. Boy, it is coming down hard. Wow. We are not used to this. They're still going pretty good on the street down there on the main road. It's still melting. It's going to take more. It's supposed to snow for several hours. Get colder. That'll slow them down. Here's some water coming down the downspout. We haven't had this kind of snow in a long, long time. We had a big snow in 2011. 9 years ago, but we've had warm winters.